I was paying $50 a month for n8n Cloud, and I didn't realize I could run the exact same thing myself for about $12. The same software without the execution limits for a fraction of the cost. With n8n Cloud, plans start at $20 a month for 2,500 executions. If you want 10,000, you're at $50. If you're running even a few real automations, you'll hit those limits pretty quickly. That's exactly what happened to me. What I didn't realize at the time is that n8n is actually free software. So I wasn't paying for n8n, I was just paying for someone to host it for me. So I started looking into running it myself, and after testing a few hosting options, I ended up using Bluehost because it was simple and cost effective. Let me show you. To get started, just click the link below and you'll be taken to the Bluehost n8n website here. And so this is the tier I recommend. You can see what you get with that. This is plenty for basically anyone running automations. And unlike with the n8n cloud service, you're not getting billed for executions. This is your own server that you can use as much as you want. You can see it's unmetered. And so you can sign up for a year, or if you just want to give it a try, you can just sign up for 1 month and see if you like it. And then you can always upgrade from there. So just hit choose plan. And if you want to get a domain for your n8n instance, you can do that as well, or you can do it later, or you can use one that you already own. Now just fill in your information and you'll get set up right away. Once you complete your registration, you'll be taken to your dashboard here, and all you need to do is go down to hosting, and you'll see that you already have a VPS made for you. Just go to manage, then click re-image, then go to applications and just choose n8n. And then it's going to ask you to re-image. You just type the word re-image and then hit proceed. Now go off and get a coffee or take a walk and come back in about 10 minutes as it's going to set everything up for you. So that took about 5 minutes, and now we're ready to set up n8n and create our admin account. So just all you need to do is hit manage and then just set up your account. And this would be the exact same experience that you would see when you create your own n8n account on the cloud server. So just create a username and password. That's it. And it's just going to ask you a survey so it can try and customize itself for you. So you can just choose whatever you want here that makes sense for your company, and just hit get started. And you can actually get a free forever license key because, as I told you, n8n is free. So yeah, you definitely want to do that. So send me a free license key. And then just check your email for that license key. And so you have your activation key, go to activate license, enter your key, paste your key, and you're good to go. And just like that, you're all set up. That took maybe like 6-7 minutes in total. And this is now your own complete n8n instance with no usage limits or anything like that. And since this is also your own server, you actually have much more control of your own data as well, since you're not sharing it with someone else to host it for you. Now, if you're new to n8n, what it is a powerful no-code automation builder that can basically allow you to build any automation you can pretty much think of, and you can just connect various apps and create these workflows without having to know any of the technical parts that would normally go into it. I like to think of it like connecting digital Lego. To give you an example, let's import one of my automations, which is a 100% automated social media machine. So just hit create workflow, and then I'm actually going to import it from a file. And so you can see my entire build here, and I can just update my credentials and start running it. In fact, if you want this exact automation, I actually have the complete video and blueprint on the channel. I'll link it down below, but that's just an example of one of the things you can do here. Now, I also want to show you, this is actually n8n Cloud. This is the cloud server. And so you can see it is literally identical. So there's nothing you're missing out on by running it by yourself. It's the exact same software. As I said, it's open source. And my template's not the only free one you can get. On the actual n8n website, there are over 8,000 free templates you can download and use immediately, just like how I imported mine. And these are for any use case you can pretty much think of. Like if we went to sales, just as an example, you can scrape recent news about a company before a call, or you can generate leads with Google Maps. And you can see there's basically for anything you can think of, you can just search for it, and the chances are somebody has made an automation that's exactly what you need or very close, and you can use it as a starting point for your build. So definitely check out the n8n workflows library. So that's how easy it is to get your own version of n8n running at a fraction of the cost. You can check the links below for everything I mentioned in the video. So if you've been holding off on n8n because of the cost, or you're already paying for the cloud version, this is a simple way to get more control while spending less. Just keep in mind mind that when you run your own instance, you're responsible for your own server. For most people, that just means occasional updates, enabling backups, and using basic security practices. In return, you'll get full control, no usage limits, and your costs don't keep climbing as you scale. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials on automation and AI. And if you want to see the fully automated social media system I built in n8n and grab my free blueprint, check out this video right here. I'll see you in there.